and love, African family, peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, they say, see there's a Cinemax. Cinemax. So today them say is the day of love. I celebrate love every day, so I don't really celebrate this day, family. But today, the reason why I'm here is Bob Marley, the One Love concert, family. The One Love movie. So actually, you know, when I check online, they say it's only be showing at Two Rivers Mall. So I'm actually here at Two Rivers Mall to get some ticket for the Jam Tours family. So, you know, it's so big. We're actually trying to find the cinema here. I've never been here before. This will be my first movie in Kenya, family. So it's very special, and it's the Bob Marley movie, and I'm really looking forward to that. So, yeah. So, I go up at the cinema. It's upstairs, them say there. So, we actually, you know what I mean? It's me and my brother there from Reggae Flavors. Tell them, say, yo.
Reggae Flavors.
Reggae Flavors.
Bad behaviors.
Yeah, family.
So excited to watch One Love movie tonight. Bob Marley show. Represent a legend, a king.
A king, reggae.
Let's go get some tickets.
Let's get some tickets. And tomorrow, Friday, the fish fry, you say?
Yeah, man.
Fish fry, Friday.
Fish fry Fridays. Each and every Friday. But this Friday is going to be the big Friday because it's the first.
The first.
So, you are watching this when you come to Kenya, Nairobi. Try to link up Jam Tour. Try to link up Reggae Flavors.
Yeah. You want the tour and you want the food.
You're going to need the food.
Yeah.
You're going to need the food.
Yeah, family. So we're there, and a lot of people there today. Them say Valentine's Day. Someone want to come early if you actually get the ticket. Yo, them come up and say it. Why them have voted? So let's go there so see what them have. Never. Yeah, I think it's not in here, so. Yeah.
We got also come up here.
Yeah. The cinema. Oh, you want this? So what them have inside there? You have to go around and come around.
Go around,
Yeah. Oh yeah, go around. Okay. So in here, so angle we take. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the man them ride bicycle inside, yeah. Oh, this up. Yeah. Yeah, family. So we have to go down and go round. We actually escalate and move slow.
Very slow.
Yeah. So let's go, family. We have to get this Bob Marley ticket. Today, Valentine's Day, everybody will come watch movie. That's a date for people, you know. So if we don't come, we know so we not get no ticket. Because Bob Marley is international, worldwide.
Today we're going to see if Kenyan really respect Jamaican culture.
Yeah.
See who's going to come out to the Bob Marley show.
Yeah.
I think it's sold out, that means they respect the culture.
Yeah. So, we there, family, we are go. You know what I mean, check it out. Yeah, I don't have so many there. So, this is the promote my youth. One love. Your family, so see it there. Them are promote it.
Big One Love.
Big One Love. One Love, you have to take me a picture here, so. And the 14th. What? It's all there, so. Look on the preview. Them have the preview. Lord God. The preview. Look at the preview. Let me check out the preview for them. Let me show them the preview. Yeah, family, this is the preview. Bob Marley gets shut up. We actually know the story already, you know. Yeah, we just want to see it play out. Yeah, family, so we actually have an idea of the story already. We're there to see it and enjoy with some people, family. So, yeah, we're going to check it out, family. One love. God bless. Continue watching the video, like, share, and subscribe. Come on, all of this Bob Marley is in Jamaica. Rita. Valentine's. So actually upstairs. Go up side there. That one on the other side. It's around the sun. Yeah, family. This is what the cinema look like. And these are some of the things that them have a show. Them have the Bob Marley movie today, as I can see. And them have all other movie a show. All other movie. Them have cinema in where them have cinema in Surrey. Them have cinema in Surrey.
My Surrey?
Surrey Center. There's one in Surrey Center.
Tomorrow, 15.
Oh, they might show it.
Yeah.
Alright, let me go and see where we can get some information. Yeah, hello ma'am, where you get a ticket?
The time with the show.
Oh, right here. Okay. Alright. Yes. Yeah man. Bridget, react. Yeah, we're here for the One Love movie.
At what time?
What time is it available?
This one that is ongoing, it started at 1:15. The next one is at 3:15.
And then the next one is which?
15.
The last one?
The last one at 10. There's 1, 3:15, 5:30, 7:45, and 10.
At 7:45.
7:45 one?
Yeah.
Alright, 7:45.
7:45.
Sure?
Yeah man, 7:45. Yeah, 7:45 are the best. Yeah.
We left 10, everybody left 12 o'clock.
Yeah. So
How
7:45
much for the tickets?
12:50. One ticket.
for one ticket.
Well, Bob Marley still so. Bob Marley.
All right, so we say we want one for Ava, one for Bridget, one for Al.
Yeah.
Light same I come, but me don't know. It actually sold out that. It actually sold out when it coming.
It starts out already?
There's normally 10 to 15 minutes of trailers, so it will start at 8.
No, me, I'll just start selling tickets. Are you going to have enough tickets for later?
For later, let's say somebody come and want.
No, we can book later.
We have
Okay.
some more friends that don't call me.
You can just add more later when you come by.
Okay.
It's not going to be sold out.
It's not gonna be sold.
No.
Oh, you're so sure?
I am.
I am sure.
I've been to the movie theater and like, it's sold out.
Maybe that's in Jamaica.
Adventures 2 and something else. Remember the Black Panther?
Yeah.
Sold out. You couldn't get no tickets for days,
Yeah.
weeks. And like third week before I get a ticket.
Okay. So,
Like, God.
like say, my something there. Yeah, a Kaji though.
You don't buy tickets.
Yeah, family. Oh wow! So we have some good news. Let me.
Good news for you.
I never know that you get this thing with this thing. All right, so tell me.
The Bob Marley movie, that's why.
Okay. All the movies.
Today.
All the movies today.
Valentine's.
Okay, so tell me. Okay, it's Valentine.
Love ladies, lucky you.
Okay. All right, so tell me again what I want you get. You get popcorn,
Popcorn, above chocolate, and Pepsi,
or water. Okay. All right.
So write on your ticket. So when you come by, whoever you'll find at the counter,
Yeah.
give the receipt and then you'll be given the stuff.
Okay.
That's okay?
Yeah, man,
That's
perfect.
really okay.
So 6,250.
250, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So it's worth it.
Okay. All right, families. That was some good news. We're not have to buy, these snacks again.
Yeah. We're spending later. Just get your ticket, grab the popcorn,
and go.
and go.
Yeah, and a
It's
drink.
7:30, right? So you're going to start at 8 o'clock.
Yeah, we want to come from 5 and have a vibe. Not 5, 6. No, man, don't.
Yeah,
No, that's don't listen and thing.
You can come in like 6 o'clock for real.
Yeah.
So you have like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
No, you come at 6 o'clock, 2 over the 9 hours. So you can come 7.
You can come 7. Yeah. All right, family. So that's the end of this vlog. Like, share, and comment. On this video, and let me know, family, if you ever visit the cinema in Kenya yet. As you know, this is for people in the diaspora. They like to do these things, and it's there, man. It's there. So you don't have to worry when you come to feel bored and nothing to do. We have so much thing for you to do here. Let's link up with Jam Tours. All right, we are out. One love. God bless. Yeah, family. So I want to close off this video. I have a little surprise to Miss Jam Tours family. So I just want to actually close off this video with this. You know what I mean? They say today is day that, you know what I mean? They say today is love, but I show love every day. So I just want to give Miss Jam Tours this, because I know she's expecting something as a woman. You know what I mean? Even though I don't celebrate it, I'm still gonna give her this gift. Yeah, family. So like, share, and comment on the video, family. I can't wait to enjoy the Bob Marley movie, and maybe you can watch our vlogs and you'll see, you know what I mean? I'm sure a lot of Jamaicans maybe are coming out. So we'll show you the experience and what it likes. It's my first time going to the cinema here in Kenya. So I'll do that vlog to share the experience with you. And I do hope that you like, share, and comment on this video. And if you know somebody that is coming into Kenya and I would like, you know, Jam Tours to take them around, move them around, show them around, you know, for them to have a different, you know, scenery of Kenya. You know what I mean? Just tell them about Jam Tours. Everything is there. Link us up on WhatsApp. Jam Tours is here. We are here for you. We are out. One love. God bless. Yeah, family, so I pick out my Jamaican shirt, One Love movie.
Oh.
So I'm gonna wear that. What I wanna wear it with? Well, Miss Jam Tours unboxer thing. I mean, she's here. They give your mother a package. Hey, package, Maliku package. Here's Maliku package. Eh?
Hey, Hamish. Yeah. I love you too.
I'm Ham. You give your mother a package? Hmm? Hmm?
Yeah.
Hmm?
When do you finish all this?
You serve for the entire year.
Thank you.
You serve
I
for
feel
the
like
entire
starting
year.
it right
Amish.
now. Wow.
Alright, family, like, share, and comment. And the video, let us know your thoughts. We are out.